completed our breakfast and oh, that scared me. We completed breakfast and we are scheduled to pick up a rental at 12 o'clock. The time is now 10 o'clock. So we have to find something to kill our time for 2 hours before we go to pick up the rental. So right now we're walking around Planet Hollywood's mall. I don't know. Miracle something.
Miracle Mall.
I'll put on the screen when I figure it out. We're walking around here. Everything is closed as far as like stores, but the food is open. So you can't shop. Somebody just farted. It stank. Can't shop, so we're just walking around until we find the exit. Get outside and see what's going on. But thank you guys for joining us today. It is day 2 of the D&Q experience in Vegas. It's blurry. I can't deal. Can't deal. And yes, I did say we're getting a rental, so that means we are leaving the area to drive out somewhere else. So you guys stay tuned so you can come along with us as we travel. No. So you guys stay tuned so you can come along with us as we explore Nevada. Back to the hotel because we need to kill some time. The mall doesn't even open till 11 and the car rental place has a set for 12 o'clock pickup. So back at the hotel. Damion left me. He went to the room before me because I had to stop and get Starbucks. I passed like 4 Starbucks. I'm like, no, yes, no. And when I said yes, that one was closed. I was like, no. You know, I got inside the hotel, some lady was at the front sipping on her Starbucks. I was like, yes. So then the next Starbucks, so I was like, let me stop. Got me a caramel macchiato and he went up to the room. So now I'm going to the room to meet him to chill for a few minutes. And it's back on the road we go.
We've arrived at our first
sightseeing
place. This reminds us of London.
Oh yeah, and we went to look at those rocks.
Right.
Now we're here looking at more rocks.
At least we know these ones are man-made.
Because it says so, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna get out here, get some pictures.
Some drone shots.
And head to our next sightseeing.
No, we gonna look over there too.
Yeah. That's just dirt by itself moving. Anyways, let's see what they got to show us.
Alright. See you all in a few minutes, seconds.
We have finally made it to Magic Mountain. Damion is out here taking his drone shots, as you can see in the clip right now. It's so windy out here. And look at the sand. There goes Damion. There goes all the sand. We are now leaving 7 Magic Mountains. That spot is definitely a photo spot. If you are photogenic, you like taking pictures, this is a spot for you. I don't care for pictures, but I will insert some pictures on here of what we took with my little talent that I have. Angles. I just don't want to be in front of the camera for the angles. So, but yeah. So now we're gonna head to Red Rock Canyon and then get lunch. So, next stop it is. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. So Damion got me out here on these rocks in the middle of something scary. First of all, I couldn't get here. I'm gonna show you guys. Just look at the drone shot. Where we at? If you could see us, I don't even know. He got me out here trying to get me climb these rocks, and I'm shaking. This is my hand. This is my hand shaking. I'm not moving it. Then he told me to put the drone up. The drone cuts me. I'm not giving you the bird. This is blood. So I'm just not saying. I had to say a prayer for everybody because people out here climbing the rocks. I don't like it. I don't like it. Can we go now? Can we go?
Wait, I'm gonna do that shot.
I hope this shot is worth it. If the shot is worth it, you'll see it. If the shot ain't worth it, you're not gonna see it. Y'all will see when I get back to safety. called Pico de Gallo. I ain't gonna front. Found this restaurant off of another YouTube channel, Turn It Up World. Link in the description box. They do vlogs on Vegas, and this is a spot that they ate at that's off the strip. So we wanted to try something that wasn't on the strip, something that place the locals go to, is what they would say. Right now we're eating chips and dip. He don't even like chips, but he's tearing it up.
It's spicy. Anything spicy and I'm good.
It's good. I'm starving like Marvin. It's been a while since we ate. It is a homemade sauce. Seems like Carson won't know. It's too spicy.
No.
He doesn't like the chunks with this. Little chunks in this.
There's chunks in my drink. So I had a Las Aquas first class pineapple. Has a lot of pineapple bites in it. Normally I can't do like anything in my drink. If I taste, it needs to be smooth. But this is actually very good. I like it probably because I love pineapple.
You don't eat strawberries, so.
Right. Well, it's good.
Let me see.
It's not sweet, it's just perfect.
It is. It's like pineapple water. With fresh pineapple.
Let's see how this food tastes.
The food has arrived. It took like 5 minutes to come after we ordered. It came so fast. I got the enchiladas. Here's my plate.
I didn't know how this thing looked.
But here's Damion's plate.
That's shrimp and fish.
Fried fish and shrimp on top. All right, and fries, yummy.
And rice.
And
Jesus.
let's eat. What? What I put?
Your words are...
What I put?
It's rocky and I slip sometimes.
Okay.
You guys want to take this table, this table?
Slipped last night.
What?
Slip is present. You just slip. Slip. Past tense.
Don't make no sense.
Oh. I get what your post is now. It makes sense. It makes sense.
You see how you do me? Yes, I was recording that the whole time.
I
Okay,
get it.
so we're done with our dinner, lunch and dinner, and I ordered some churros for dessert, but our waiter, I guess somebody told me I like coffee, so he offered me some coffee to try, so I'm gonna try it. It came in this little cup, it's so cute. I'm gonna try it, let's see. There's no milk in it, and I drink coffee with my milk, so let's see.
A little coffee with our milk.
Let's see how this goes. Yes, caramel macchiatos, they're literally milk with a splash of coffee. It's good. No milk. It's good.
You can't get it anywhere else.
You want to taste it? I think it's the sugar on the rim. It's hot, so I can't chug it. I drink cold coffee. But it's good. Yeah, I finished that. And we got our churros.
Wow. Your post is just realistic.
Why would I lie? I like this. I'm back to this. No, I'm not. It's still hot. I was serious.